you're a Mac lover with an Android phone, you know the pain of getting files from one to the other that can feel like trying to make Apple and Google actually get along. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. What to do when drag and drop doesn't work? Finder pretends your phone doesn't exist, and airdrop wasn't an option until now. Say hello to LocalSend, the game-changing free app that finally bridges the gap between Android and Mac. No cables, no cloud uploads, no compressed messes, just pure Wi-Fi powered magic. All you need are 2 free downloads, one for your Android phone and one for your Mac, and a shared Wi-Fi connection. Once both devices are hooked up, just pick send or receive, choose your device's codename from the list, and boom, photos and videos and files fly across in seconds. It's so smooth, it's like airdrop, but cross-platform. Unlike workarounds like Google Drive or WeTransfer, LocalSend skips the cloud completely and sends files directly between devices. That means no upload limits, no compression, and no waiting around for your storage to sync. What makes it even better? It's totally open source, which means it works across Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android, and can be downloaded from both app stores, all without spending a penny. It's fast, reliable, and the only downside is that it can get slow as your Wi-Fi connection drops. But nothing a quick reconnect can't fix. For anyone juggling Apple and Android devices, LocalSend is the missing link they've been waiting for. Will it be useful for you? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.